Winter interest plants can add beauty to the garden even in the cold months, providing color, texture, and structure. Freeze-tolerant plants can survive and thrive despite frosty conditions, making them great options for gardens in colder climates. Let's explore 12 best winter interest plants for landscaping and porch area pots. Pansies. These are popular cool season flowers, known for their cheerful, face-like blooms and ability to tolerate frost. Pansies come in a wide range of colors, including purples, yellows, blues, whites, and mixed varieties. Pansies are typically planted in early spring or fall. In cooler temperatures, they can continue to bloom for several months. Their blooms may diminish in the heat of summer, but often rebound in the cooler fall months. They thrive in pots and hanging baskets, making them great for patios, decks, and balconies. Pansies are best choice to maintain the pots with colorful flowers for porch areas during winter months. Violas can be planted in the fall to add color to winter gardens, as they can continue to flower through mild winters. Violas have smaller blooms compared to pansies, but they tend to produce more flowers per plant. These flowering plants are perfect for adding a touch of charm to garden beds, borders, containers, and hanging baskets, providing a burst of color in cooler seasons. Dusty Miller. It is a popular ornamental plant, known for its silvery gray, feathery foliage. It's often used as a complement to vibrant flowers in garden beds, borders, and containers due to its striking, textured appearance. Dusty Miller is hardy in USDA zones 7 to 10. In these zones, it can be a perennial, maintaining its foliage year-round. In mild winter climates, Dusty Miller can maintain its silvery foliage throughout the colder months, providing a striking contrast to other winter interest plants, like pansies, violas, and evergreen shrubs. Heuchera. Also known as coral bells, are popular perennial plants, known for their striking foliage. They are prized for their colorful leaves, which come in shades ranging from deep purples and reds to bright lime greens and silvery hues. They are hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9, making them suitable for many regions. Their ability to handle cold winters makes them a great choice for areas with frost. Coral bells goes well other winter hardy ornamental plants, such as kale and evergreen shrubs. Windmill palm. It is a cold hardy palm tree that brings a tropical feel to landscapes, even in cooler climates. It is known for its distinctive fan-shaped fronds and tolerance to lower temperatures. The leaves are dark green on the top with a silvery underside, creating a striking appearance. It is one of the most cold-tolerant palms. It can survive in frosty winters, making it a reliable choice for regions that experience occasional frosts. Spiral Blue Point Juniper. This topiary spiral blue point juniper is a stunning evergreen shrub that has been pruned into a spiral shape, adding a formal and artistic touch to gardens. It is popular for use in landscapes and containers, offering a unique structure and rich blue-green foliage throughout the year. It is hardy in USDA zones 4 to 9, meaning it can tolerate a wide range of climates, including cold winters and hot summers. A perfect evergreen shrub to keep in larger pots, to place at main entrance areas in the covered porches, to bring aesthetic appeal. Kale. A cold hardy leafy green that can withstand temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Its attractive foliage can add a lush, green element to winter garden beds and even to winter containers. Its ornamental value, with striking colors and tolerant frosty conditions, make it a wonderful option for winter interest. Dwarf Thuja Hetz midget arborvitae. Known as Thuja occidentalis, Hetz midget is a compact, slow-growing evergreen shrub, and it is valued for its finely textured, scale-like leaves that are bright green in spring and summer, turning to a slightly darker green during winter. Its naturally rounded shape, dense foliage, and cold tolerance make it a versatile and perfect for front yard landscaping or for larger pots to keep at entrance areas of the home or near deck areas. Fire Chief Globe arborvitae. An excellent choice for gardeners seeking a compact, colorful evergreen that adds year-round interest to landscapes. Its unique golden-orange foliage, rounded shape, and hardiness make it versatile for a variety of applications, from foundation plantings to container gardens. Fire Chief Globe arborvitae is particularly valuable in winter gardens due to its vibrant color that stands out against a snowy backdrop. Its evergreen nature ensures it retains its foliage throughout the colder months, adding warmth and brightness to the landscape. Hardiness zones are 3 to 7. Globosa nana cryptomeria. It is a compact, low-maintenance evergreen that provides year-round interest. Globosa nana has soft, needle-like leaves that are bright green in spring and summer, maturing to a darker green in the fall and winter. It is hardy in USDA zones 5 to 9, making it suitable for a variety of climates, including areas that experience cold winters. Globosa nana adds a beautiful, lush element to winter gardens. It remains intact and visually appealing throughout the colder months. Lemon ball sedum. This can provide a touch of winter interest, although its appearance changes with the colder weather. As temperatures drop, the bright color of lemon ball sedum may fade to a more muted yellow or even take on a slight bronze or reddish tinge. This change can add some subtle winter color to the garden or winter pots with other companion plants. Winter hardy succulents. These can add unique texture and structure to a garden through the colder months. Many succulents family plants are cold hardy, with foliage that remains vibrant through fall and takes on a red or bronze hue in winter. Their tough leaves and stems can withstand cold, with some varieties dying back and returning in spring. Succulents generally need well-draining soil, especially during winter, to prevent root rot. Medium to large succulents are ideal for pot decor. If you are watching this video till this point, I believe you like the content of it. Please drop a like to support my channel House Talks. Your feedback is really appreciated. Thank you.